Potato harvesting in Khemdro village, Phobjikha, located at around 3,000 meters above sea level. Khemdro village in Phobjikha Valley is a thriving farming community known for its high-quality seed potatoes. Farmers are currently busy harvesting potatoes, one of the valley's main cash crops. With over 19 acres, cultivated annually and an average yield of around 5 metric tons per acre, potato farming plays an important role in the local economy. Come experience potato farming and discover the beauty of rural Bhutan in Phobjikha Valley. Welcome to Phobjikha Valley, where you can witness farming traditions and the beauty of rural Bhutan firsthand.